is a sheep underwater.
Sheep? Or ship? Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, how do you say sheep in English?
Ship.
Ship. There's a ship. Sorry.
Oh, a ship.
There's a ship.
That was a good moment from Laura. It reminds me of how do you say let's go in English. That is like a 5-year-old moment from Portugal when she asked me, "Ne Kiara, let's go." って英語でなんて言うの? How to say let's go in English? Let's go!
Oh, or remember when you were trying to like
translate for Miko senpai also, and she was like, "Orito shitai," and it turns into "I wanna fuck a ollie."
Oh yeah, beautiful. Good moments, good memories. Oh, did you guys? That's a very fitting new one. I don't even want to say it out loud though. But did you see? I said I'm going AFK. Like I said, ちょっと AFK になります on stream in a collab. And Ririka thought it was something interesting. No, more like it starts with A and N. A-N.
A-N?
A-N?
It has to do with the butt. I don't want to say it.
What the
Yeah, she wrote it in her chat. She was like, nah. I don't want to say it, but she wrote it out loud. She wrote the full word. Yeah, but not just it. It was more than that. I can kind of see it because of the AFK. Yeah, but crazy take. But apparently her mind went there because she's also really into boy love.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Makes sense.
BL.
See that?
会いたい。
あ、なんかすいません、郵便が来た。ちょっと待ってよ。一瞬 AFK。
オッケーオッケー。
やばい、AFK。
やばい。
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 やばい、もうブロックしかない。やばい、完成がやばいね。なんだろうこれ。やだ、もう虫カード。虫カードが気持ち悪いのさ。
いや本当になんか今回のスレイドスパイア2めちゃくちゃ虫キャラ多いですよね。